Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 23 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings than Chrome. So in order to check some further information, you can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time you've spent in particular days of the week. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. What is more, under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using, and if you want to, you can right here set the limits for the app. So for example, tap on the specific app, set a tap on app timer, and set it for example 30 minutes as here, or any other time of your choice. I actually don't want to set any kind of limit. So that was the first way, and the second is to type directly on the app which you've got here. So you will be able to immediately enter the dashboard connected with this one app, and you can immediately also manage, for example, notifications or manage the app timer, of course, depending on the specific app. Under it you've got also ways to disconnect, so again app limits, but you've got also bedtime mode and focus mode. So for example, if you need to work or you'd like to study or anything and you don't want to be distracted, you can select those apps which are distracting for you, then you can set the schedule, you can choose the specific days of the week or the time, and your device will basically limit the notifications from those apps using a set schedule. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.